In this video, I will show you how to get 5-star stickers in Monopoly Go. So let's jump straight into it. So what I'm going to do is open up Monopoly Go on my device, and I'm just going to run through some different ways on how you can get 5-star stickers. So here we are, as you can see in Monopoly Go. Now the first way you can actually get 5-star stickers is by completing the current in-game tournament. So to find out what the tournament is, if you come over here and press this icon on the right hand side, and as you can see, the current tournament is called Broomstick Bash, which is running for another 7 hours and 48 minutes. Now, if you actually come first in this tournament, what's going to happen, as you can see, you're going to get a 5-star sticker. So it's going to be one gold 5-star sticker. So that's the first way how you can get 5-star stickers. The second way is if you actually come into your album, and what I'm going to do is go into one of my uncompleted albums. So for example, I'm going to come down, I'm going to press onto my Sasquatch album. I've got a few stickers missing. Now you can see there's a couple of 5-star stickers in here that I don't have. So what you can actually do is press onto one of these stickers. So this one, Night Binge, for example, as you can see, this is a 5-star sticker. And when you press onto it, there's actually a trading group on Facebook. So what you can do is press the button which says Ask the Group, and you can ask to see if anyone's got a sticker that they're willing to send to you if they've got duplicates of. So that's another way to get 5-star stickers. Now the final way that I'm going to go through to you is when you're in the album, if you come down to the safe in the bottom right hand corner, and what you can do when you've got enough duplicate stars is you can actually trade these for rewards. Now in the very bottom safe, so the most expensive one, which costs 2,500 stars, if we press onto the safe, you can see that you're going to get at least one of a 5-star sticker. So you can see you get a pack there, and you're going to get at least one 5-star sticker in this safe reward. So that's 3 different ways on how to get 5-star stickers on Monopoly Go. I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.